Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on a 10th floor building that's being built across from King's House. It's literally across from Jamaica House. It's located on Hope Road. Now it was announced recently that a government entity is going to rent the entire building. They didn't name which entity, but they just said a government entity is going to rent the building. As you can see, it's very close to being completed. Now guys, I want to ask you guys a question. Which government entity do you think is going to rent this building? Now, when the building was on the market for rent, the price tag was about 130,000 US per month. They didn't break it down per floor. They just said the entire building would be for rent 130,000 US per month. So you're looking at about 240 million Jamaican dollars a year to rent this building. So I'm not sure which government entity that's going to rent it, because that is a hefty price tag, 240 million a year. And across the road you have Jamaica House that has so much space, empty land space, that you could easily build a building. But we will keep you guys updated on this project, and as soon as it's made public as to which entity is going to rent the building, we will let you know. But it's a very nice building, went up rather quickly, and it's ideally located in Kingston. 10 floors, which seems to be the average size of buildings these days. That's a close-up of the building. Very nice finish. Alright guys, so we'll keep you updated as to which government entity it is. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.